Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download schema validation results using Google Rich Results, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Search Console website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the property you want to work with from the list. In the left-hand menu, look for the Enhancements section. Click on it to expand the options available. Now, find and select Rich Results. You will see a summary of the rich results types validated for your website. Scroll down to the section that displays validation results. This section includes details about any errors or warnings. To download this data, look for the Export option, usually represented by a download icon. Click on this icon to initiate the download process. Choose your preferred format for the download, typically CSV or Google Sheets. After selecting the format, confirm the action to start downloading. Once the file is ready, it will be saved to your computer or cloud service. Open the downloaded file using your preferred software to view the schema validation results. Review the information carefully to understand the errors or warnings listed. Using this data, you can make the necessary adjustments to improve your website's rich results. That's how you can quickly download schema validation results using Google Rich Results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.